Welcome to Car Showcase. Here introducing a 2026 Lamborghini Huracan features within details. Before starting, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's start. The 2026 Lamborghini Huracan is a high-performance sports car built with a lightweight hybrid aluminum and carbon fiber structure, ensuring exceptional strength and agility. Its powerful 5.2-liter V10 engine produces 640 horsepower and 442 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission and all-wheel drive. The Huracan accelerates from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.5 seconds, reaching a top speed of 202 miles per hour. The interior features luxurious materials, including Alcantara and leather upholstery, with optional carbon fiber trim. The cabin boasts a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, an 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system, and a premium audio system. The exterior design showcases a sleek, angular silhouette with a distinctive hexagonal grille, LED headlights, and 20-inch alloy wheels. The Huracan's dimensions are 177.6 inches long, 75.7 inches wide, and 45.9 inches tall, with a wheelbase of 103.1 inches. Its advanced technology features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and a 360-degree camera system. The 2026 Lamborghini Huracan is priced at around $280,000 for the base model, with the high-performance STO trim starting at around $330,000. With its exceptional performance, stunning design, and luxurious features, the Huracan is a true masterpiece of Italian engineering. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and we'll meet soon in next video.